Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab Extreme, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this tablet. Firstly, locate an app called Files and click on it. Then select Clean on the left between those two lines and Browse section, and tap on Clean next to Junk Files. Lastly, confirm your choice by selecting Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my device was already clean. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!